તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ।
Three Indian nationals were arrested by the Royal Canadian Mounted Police in connection with Hardeep Singh Nijjar's murder. Soon after the arrest, diplomatic tensions intensified between India and Canada over Khalistani terrorists' murder. Canada's NDP leader Jagmeet Singh has again alleged an Indian government's hand in the killing Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Notably, the Canadian police has not given any evidence of any link to India's involvement in the killing of Nijjar. The three Indian men were arrested in the city of Edmonton in Alberta, Canada on May 3, IST. Soon after the arrest was made, Jagmeet Singh took to X and claimed that there was an Indian hand in the case. Notably, NDP has supported the Liberal minority government led by Trudeau in exchange for support on some key bills. Last year, Canadian Prime Minister Trudeau had also pointed fingers at India in Nijjar's murder, which was vehemently rejected by Maya. New Democratic Party's leader Jagmeet Singh is a pro-Khalistani and is known for his anti-India stand. In March 2023, his X account was also withheld in India along with several other pro-Khalistani people. Hardeep Singh Nijjar, who was a designated terrorist in India, was also a pro-Khalistan leader. He was shot dead in June last year outside a Sikh temple in Surrey, a Vancouver suburb.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે। બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન।